Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Miss.
Oi, today.
Fine, Miss.
Okay, before we start lesson, we start warming up. Stand up, please. English to easy. English to listen. English to write. English to read. Okay, stand up, please. Okay, we start a lesson about material narrative of text.
What is meaning narrative is? What is the purpose narrative is? What is the corrective narrative is? What is the gross mode narrative is?
Narrative text is a kind of text, a little the story, the past tense. The purpose of text to entertain, to almost, to leader or listening, and about the story. Characteristic is of narrative text to better understand the use of narrative text. It write paragraph in English in matters is we explore the use of narrative text in writing paragraph in English. The characteristic of narrative text. The first specific character in narrative, the author with centrally clear and specific and character as the main character in the story. Not only the main character, but all the characters are usually writing clearly starting from the name, shape, color, and character. For example, mermaid and dwarf who has the different character, the brave Moana, Big Bob, the Kirper, uh, Pink, Eleven, and so on. And past tense the because writing in narrative text in fiction of imagination, therefore the grammar use the past tense. Usually this grammar is very often the if you read a legend of fairy tales that have ancient setting, time, conjunction, and adverb of time of narrative text. Explain about the narrative text is writing explain based on time chronology. Therefore, time conjunction is needed as a time link to explain to chronology of event. For example, when, before, after, others, with well, adverb of time. It also needed is writing narrative text with the time of showing the time when it even occurred. For example, was one time, one day, and others. Action verb. Action verb, the use of action narrative text is one of the characteristics that need remember. This action verb is verb dash so action and character writing a narrative because the grammar use narrative text in the past tense. Action verb is also writing the second form. For example, lost, cried, walk, swam, sight, married, and others. Direct speech. If you read a narrative will define notice notice there are cues taken from the composition of the character in the story. The his no direct speech. Direct speech with a character is very important to be writing in a story. The story can be look more ripe and not monotonous. The generic structure of narrative text. The generic of structure of narrative text. There are three. The the first the first The first orientation in set the scan of introduction, the participant, and answer the question who, when, what, and where. Complication is telling the problem of the story and our main the character solve them. The solution is the crisis and report the for better or worse. Reorientation the ending of the story. Lesson Rina to exercise for example narrative text.
The Legend of the Quesado Cremini. Once upon a time among Bromo, as Java, there was a couple living there. The new couple wanted to have a child. They had married for a long time, but they had not got a baby. Every time they prayed to the gods asking for children. One day there was a lot of ice in the sky. When they were praying, "You are going to born a baby, and let's fuel birds to many children. But I have a recommend for you to a boy. If you really want to have a children, seed the boys. However, you ask my lord," the couple answered, "we will done it. You must fulfill your first son for the gods." The couple agreed to sacrifice their first son for the gods. The couple agreed to sacrifice their first son in the time that was asked. By coincidence, the wife got pregnant and gave birth to us. Soon, the baby grew up into a handsome tall man. He was named Kusuma. A couple of Kusuma very much. The wife gave birth to 11 more children after Kusuma, and they forget their promise to fulfill the first son. One day, the boy not Europe before then. They were serious of the earth's gods, followed baby, then dust in the sky. The sky was very dark, as if it was going to fly. Down on the next occasion, there was a voice in the sky, reminding the couple about their promise. The couple was afraid, but they could fulfill their beloved son Kusuma. However, because the earth's gods and the stars were becoming more and more high, Kusuma could not let his family and all the people in the village live. Kusuma knew the situation. Then he said to his parents, "I would sacrifice myself in order that on my family and all the people in other villages will live in the faith. For the next time you all have a stable animals and close to the hip jumper. onto the kayak of the foolish imagery that is about and Europe stopped at home.
Okay, sit down please, Rina.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, the exercise, for example, the legend of Kesodo ceremony. We exercise. Let's cry.
Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss. Lagi, Mak. Baru bertanya aku.
Okay, Rina. The finish. Trying to legend of the Kesodo. Please sit down, please.
Question, what is the meaning? What does the first paragraph talk about, Miss? On the earth squats and the birds in the sky, be the voice in the sky, see the couple promise and the children, and they in the condition of the volcano on the day sky. E, the condition of Kusuma is family. I feel Miss E. Question E. I am reading number 2. What is the Kusuma personal characteristic? Melancholic, B. Heroic, C. Tragic, powerful, C. Shameful. Answer will question
Number 4, answer question.
B, C, B, Miss.
Okay, next.
Number 3, what is problem was the failed by Kusuma parents? They had to give sacrifice for the gods. They couldn't get a baby after getting married for a long time. They could not bearing of their children of the gods to sacrifice. The village words was them sacrifice themselves. They could not see all their children from the earth's growth. Miss C. Answer, Miss.
Okay, next. Number 4, in ear.
Okay, Miss. Number 4, I reading a lesson. Number 4, what is lesson on the 4 we get from the story? A, the Kusuma is very brave. B, Kusuma is parent. Love him very much. A fairy one more escape is promised. D, promise miss the glory. A, God wants praise from the people. I answer Miss C.
Okay, the next, number 5.
Number 5 Miss, I read number 5. The baby growth of the into handsome thought a man. What is the say name of the 105 words? A strong, be handsome, she had a very firm dan easy open it. Jawabnya, answer this question, Miss. A strong. Okay, Miss. Number 5.
Okay, sit down please, Rina.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, the next of the material, the next about the simple past tense.
Miss, what is the meaning of simple past tense, Miss?
The simple past tense is grammatical instances of for function into place and situation in past tense. Rumus simple past tense is subject Subject plus verb to verb object. Example, she had apple. She subject and verb to had an object apple. Example, verb to. Verb to especially use plus ed. Example, style. Okay, the exercise we can trying simple past tense. Okay, Rina, to trying to write to people write. Okay, Rina, sit down please. To work to swim simple past tense.
Okay, Miss.
Exercise to simple past tense. The answer question the number 1.
I to the school alone yesterday. I to the school alone yesterday. Walks, be walking, she walks, they walking. Miss, answer, be walking. What sama ide, Miss? Number 2, is this a restaurant 2 days ago?
And the answer question is right.
Okay, walk it, Miss. Oh, walk it. Number 2, we in the number 2, in this restaurant 2 days ago. They ate, be eaten, she eating, they ate. Ate, Miss.
Okay, the
Number
next.
3, I in this sofa with him. Sleeping, be sleeping, slept. The slept, slept, Miss. Number 4, where is other 2 years ago?
No way. We pronunciation we.
We is other 2 years ago. Love, be loving, we are loved. Tambah ide, Miss. Kata kerja ada apanya, Miss? Number 5, I disfashioned the grass yesterday. Cutting, a bed, she. Miss, she, cut. Miss, number 6, Dana, this.
Donna is no, it's
What's
not.
the name, Miss? Donna?
It's Donna.
Donna, Miss.
Donna. It's
Donna.
Donna.
Donna, Miss. Is this the lesson fit Thursday ago? According because cooking the quotes. Answer this question, Miss. I answer B. Miss, I am reading number 7, Miss. Anita.
Blah 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 is.
Okay. Anita, me in this market yesterday.
The answer question number 7.
Meeting, mix, made. Miss, made. And answer this question, answer number 7, made.
Okay, sit down please. Good. Good
Miss.
answer.
Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss. I'm reading, Miss. Finish.
Okay, sit down please. Okay, we finished the start of the material of narrative text is the pattern narrative text, and simple past tense. Okay, see you next week to lesson for student. Okay guys, see you again and bye bye.
Bye bye, Miss.